Today I'm going to be doing a second day styling routine. I did wash my hair last night and let it dry without any product. So I'm just starting off by sectioning my hair, re-wetting it, not soaking it, but it's pretty wet, and then going in with a styling balm. I'll have all the products linked in the description box, but I'm just doing this section by section using the praying hands method to get the product on. And here I think I'm impressed with my single-handed product maneuver there, but then I realized I needed two hands and I'm missing a brush. Okay, so got the brush, using that for my bang section, and then re-wetting everything a little bit more. Finally going in with a sea salt spray for hold, scrunching that in one more time, and then going in with the diffuser. And because my hair isn't that wet, it's a pretty quick process. And finally, I am scrunching everything out with an oil. Let me know what you guys think.